Hello student, today I will discuss about number system. So digit you have the idea, I think digit, there are 8 digits, there are 10 digits, 10 digits from 0 to 9 and number digit can form numbers. So if it is given 6 9 4 3, so this is 4-digit number, 4-digit number. In this way the name of the number is given. Suppose it is given 7 9 6 4 8 3. So now put comma after 3 digit, after 2 digit. Write how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 6-digit number. In this way the name of the number is given. So student, you must have the idea about it. There are two systems. To express a number. There are two systems to express numbers. So what are the two systems? Number one, Indian system. Second one, international system. So both the system have some place value chart. So I will show first Indian system. So look at what is the place value chart in Indian system. So Indian system you can draw in such a way. Now here you can write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In this way you can give the name of the places in the place value chart. So in this way you can make the table, and that is the tabulation form. This is the tabulation form. Now these ones, tens, 100 togetherly make ones period. That is called ones period. And 1000 and 10,000, that is makes 1000 period. And this one make lakh period. These are all periods. So in this way you can show the periods, and whenever you express any number, suppose a number is given, I will give you example 6 7 9 3 2 1. First you put the comma after 3 digit, after 2 digit. Then put the now digit from right to left. 1 2 3 digits come, 9 7 and 6. Now you can have the idea about the number, name of the number. How do you write it in word? Now this one, look at 67, because it is come in the, this is come in the lakh period, so you can write 6 lakh. So write it 6 lakh. 6 lakh. Next one, this one, 79. So 79,000. 79,000, and this one you know it, 321. So 321. So what is the expression of this number? Write in word. And how do you write in figure? This is the write in figure, already written it. So if any number is given in write in figure, you can express it into write in word. But most important thing is the place value chart. If you not put in on the place value chart, you don't have any idea how to write the numbers, how to express the numbers. Most important thing is this one. Next one, according to this place value chart, you can expand a number. So look at how you expand a number. If expandation is given, so how do you do it? Suppose a number is given 9, 4, 6, 7, 2. And how do you express a number? Now, first you write 9 and put all zeros after it. So put 0, 4 zeros coming after putting commas. Now plus 4. 4 come in the 9 come in the 10,000 place. 4 come in the 1,000 place. So after 1,000 place, how many zeros come? 3 zeros come. So write it. Plus 6. After 6, how many zeros come? 2 zeros come, and 6 come in the place of 100 place. Now next one, 70 and 2. In this way you can express a number, expand a number according to the place value chart. So this is very important, student. Place value chart gives you every idea about a number. The next one, international place value chart. International place value chart. So in this place value chart, you see that suppose you draw in such a way. Now what do you see here? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, next come million, 10 million, and then 100 million. So in this way you can categorize or divide the place value. And now if a number is given, suppose 9, 7, 3, 8, 5, 4, 6. So first you put the comma and separating the periods. Now separating it. Now put in the place value chart from right to left. Write all the digits which form the numbers. Look at here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So how do you express it in what? So 9 million, write 9 million. 738,000. Look at here. A different type of expressions come here. 738,000. 738,000. and next one 546. It is same as Indian place value chart. These periods, that one's period, both are same. So 546, 546. So in this way you can express a number in terms of the system. So 9,738,546. What is the difference between these two place value chart? Look at here. Here extra one place value come. What is this? 100,000. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 in international place value chart. And in Indian place value chart, there is no 100,000 place. So this is the difference. Next one here, another thing is million, 10 million, 100 million come. And in the Indian system, lakh, 10 lakh come. So these are the difference. You must have the idea about it. So now you have the idea about how to express a number in word and how to express in figure. So this is a very important thing. Now I will discuss about the round up of numbers. Round up. So what is round up a number? Round up means suppose a number is given 68 and it is told to round up to 10th place. 10 place. So how do you round up it? Whenever you round up 10th place, so look at the ones place digit. If it is come in between this category, look at 1 to 4 and 5 to 9. So look at this digit. This digit come in this direction. So in that case you add +1. So how do you write it now? 68 round up to which number you add 1? This is the question. So this number change to 0 and 6 added with 1 gives value 7. So look at the number round up to 70. How do you have the rough idea about it? Look at, suppose this number 68 come in between 60 and 70. Now look at 68. So you have the idea in which direction it has the tendency to move. So you can easily find out that for 8 it is moving in this direction. So it has tendency to move in this direction. So the number round up to 70. So round up means always come 0. More zeros come after the digit. That is called the round up. Why? Because we take here, look at 6 after 1 0 and 7 after 1 0. These are two round up figures. So why do I say round up figures? Because it has 0. Now 68 has the tendency to go on this direction. Now this is the round up process. Next one, suppose the number is given 678. So round up to 100 place. 100 place. So how do you round up it? Whenever you round up to 100 place, look at ones and tens place digit. Now form a number 78. Now you have to find out 78 is come in between which range. This is the range and another range is 50 to 99. So 78 has the tendency to move in this direction. So whenever move it in this group, always you add 1. With which number? It is told to round up to 100 place. So you see the 100 place digit and add 6 with it. So what is the value come? Round up figure. So 6 change to 7 and this digit, what do you do with this digit? This must be changed and come 0. In this way, because I told you that already round up means 0 come after it. So in this way you can round up a numbers. So in case of 100 place, you always take the ones place and tens place digit. In this way you can round up to 100 place. Next one up to 1000 place. Suppose the number is given 9764. Now, whenever you round up to 100 place, 1000 place, suppose 1000 place, sorry, you have to round up to 1000 place. So for 1000 place, you take the digit this one, the 100 place, 10th place and 1 place, and then form a number. Now look at this number is 764. What is the range? 1 to 499, and next one 500 to 999. So you tell in which direction it has tendency to move. You see that this number have the tendency to move in this direction. So you add 1 with it. Now what is the digit here? 9. So 9 added with 1. So what is given? 10. So what is the number come now? 10 and 3 zeros come after it. So the number round up to 10,000. In this way you can have the idea. If the digit come in this category, then no need to add. So put in your mind, this is very important. So thank you student. Next day I will meet with you with new chapters, Roman numbers. Thank you student.